Hello guys, this is LC Media. Today I'm going to show you how to do a visual comparison. So first you have to check your resolution. This is 4K 3840 x 2160, and then this is a 4K log footage. So first press Option and drag it upwards to make a duplicate, and then go to the upper clip, go to crop and type in 1920. So if you click balance color, you can see there's already a comparison. I'll go to effects column and drag a custom LUT on the upper clip. So the LUT I'm using is from Cinepunch LUT Master. So LUT Master has already having 700 over color LUTs, and Cinepunch has 10,000 over elements. Do check it out, man. It's crazy. It's insane. Next up would be a sliding one. So press a keyframe at the start of the video and type 3840, which is a resolution obviously. Go to the middle of the clip or wherever you want and type 0. So go back to the start and you can see there's already a sliding effect from right to the left. Alternatively, you can go to bottom and type 2160, create a keyframe at the start, and then go to the middle and type 0. Similarly, you can see that it's already having a sliding effect. So to have multiple sliding comparison is complicated. Make sure you have more than 3 clips and all have different LUTs. And then create 3D markers like me, because it's complicated to explain. I'm not good at explaining this, but just follow what I'm doing. Go to the first clip, type 3840, create a keyframe. Second clip, similarly 3840 keyframe. Third clip, 3840 keyframe. Go to first marker, first video 2560, second video 2560, third video 2560, and then second marker, second video 1280, third video 1280, third marker, third video, type 0, and there you go. You have 3 different LUT comparison sliding from right to left. And that's all for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.